Well, wouldn't it be great if you could make a deal with Honey to only use coupons that are maybe a maximum of 20%, let's say. In addition to all of that, one of the things that we actually learned about because it was talked about on a podcast that Honey actually created is that, you know, despite their advertising saying that they were going to go out and find the best coupon codes out there, they actually, it seems, would make deals with merchants. So that, you know, imagine that you had a 40% off coupon. Well, if you're a merchant, 40% is a big cut. So wouldn't it be great if you could make a deal with Honey, who actually became, in many cases, the responsible for most of the coupon traffic, again, for these online merchants? Well, wouldn't it be great if you could make a deal with Honey to only use coupons that are maybe a maximum of 20%, let's say? Wouldn't that be nice? Oh, and you know, since they're saving so much money, it's only fair then that Honey would then get a portion of that delta. And they actually would advertise to merchants as this is a value add, a service that they could provide. They would throw their weight around and say, you know, we have the ability to use certain coupons and not others. And if you ever thought that Honey was searching the entire internet for coupons, actually it turns out that it appears that they only were searching their own database, and they controlled which coupons made it into that database or not. But it seems that because they were sending so much traffic, they were able to make side deals with the merchants. So they would get potentially money on both sides. They would make their affiliate commissions, taking away potentially affiliate commissions from creators, but they would also make deals ahead of time with the merchants so that they would make sure and control which coupons got used. So really, the customers seem to be getting screwed as well, because if the best coupon wasn't actually in the Honey database, then it probably would not be used when the customer would check out.